Tired of manually updating calendars in Excel? Let's build a dynamic calendar that updates automatically based on your selection. Start by selecting a few cells and entering a list of years. For example, 2021 to 2030. Next, in another column, enter the months from January to December. Now in cell A1, type the heading Year. In cell B1, create a drop-down list. Go to the Data tab, click on Data Validation, choose List. In the source, select the range containing your years. Repeat the same steps for months. In cell F1, type Month. In G1, create a drop-down using the month list. Now design a simple monthly calendar layout and apply formatting as needed. Once that's ready, select any year and month from the drop-downs. Then, enter the formula given in the description and press enter. Now format the cells in such a way it shows only the date. And there you go. Your dynamic calendar is ready. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and automation tricks. Also check the description for the formula. See you in the next video.